Imagine taking any photo and instantly putting someone else's face on it. I just tried it with a random picture and the results are way too realistic to believe. All of this happened in seconds using vidmage.ai, and you don't even need your own photo. Here's exactly how to do it. Go to vidmage.ai. Click on Swap Face. Now simply upload the original image with a face. And here upload the face photo you want. Now click on Swap Face. Wait for it to process. Within seconds, your face swap is done, perfectly blended and ready to amaze anyone. To download it, simply click here. So if you have ever wanted to swap faces in any photo, vidmage.ai makes it free, fast and super fun. Do try this out, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.